The BOT program was the brainchild of the then Minister of Water Affairs and Forestry, Dr. Kade Asmal, and his team based in Pretoria, as well as the regional directors and the teams of the department in consultation with the various other sector departments. The Minister of Water Affairs and Forestry, who followed Kade Asmal, was Ronnie Kasrils, and he shifted the emphasis from water to sanitation. It became his personal battle cry, and as a result, Amanz'abantu followed suit and started highlighting and prioritizing its involvement in sanitation. This was key to Amanz'abantu moving forward, going beyond the BOT program. What was challenging about the sanitation program is that it was unfolding at a time when local government was in transition, and the objective was that a parallel process of delivery would proceed.
The focus initially was on water, but as time went on, so the focus on sanitation increased.
At the end of year 2000, following municipal elections, which brought in revised municipal demarcation and permanent local government, changes in local government continued, and Amanz'abantu's role and challenge was to partner with government in a different way in order to continue its mission of providing water services for all. Amanz'abantu geared itself to assist local government in the rollout of its sanitation programs. Amanz'abantu also focused on the development of training materials. As a result, the company published its first training manual entitled Health and Hygiene, and its isiXhosa version, Impilo Nococeko, accompanied by educational posters such as the basic toilet care poster, all developed in partnership with health promoting artist Aubrey Silinyana of Impilo Education and Training. Since 2003, the implementation of sanitation programs has been one of the core businesses of Amanz'abantu. As a result of this focus on rural sanitation, Amanz'abantu has developed and tested its health and hygiene awareness and training programs. Through these sanitation programs of the district municipalities, Amanz'abantu has delivered more than 25,000 ventilated improved pit latrines in rural areas. One of the largest sanitation projects implemented by Amanz'abantu is the Engcobo Rural Sanitation Project. The project consultant was Akaskib, and the client was the Chris Hani District Municipality.
Based on the success of a number of projects in the early 2000s, we then partnered up with Akaskib to undertake the construction management portions of Engcobo.
Amanz'abantu, being an accredited health and hygiene provider by LG-CETA, were then engaged, and we trained the health workers for a period of 5 days, and they were issued with accredited health and hygiene certificates.
The technology selected for this project has been the Archloo. In our opinion, it is one of the most appropriate technologies for maximizing labor, for providing a very user-friendly latrine, a VIP latrine, which has the appropriate design, and it allows us to work in very hard to get to areas.
This project, which is being completed during September 2007, has seen 5,512 Archloos built in 18 villages situated in Ward 1 and Ward 3 of Engcobo, using local labor and community-based health workers. Other sanitation projects with project values up to 24 million rand include Ngushwa Pedi, Port St. John's, Mhlonhlo, Umzimkhulu, Klein Bullhoek, Emalahleni, and Insikayethu. More recently, Amanz'abantu has become active in the provision of sanitation facilities to schools and clinics, across the Eastern Cape. Amanz'abantu takes a lot of pride in such initiatives, which have not only almost put a stop to the prevalence of waterborne diseases through the building of toilets, but are going beyond that to facilitate economic benefit to the local people, especially in the rural Eastern Cape, where the high unemployment rate has become a way of life.
Reaching 10 years is an important milestone for Amanz'abantu. When we started the program in 1997, we probably couldn't tell you what our plans were going forward. But in the early 2000s, when we decided to roll out the business of Amanz'abantu beyond the BOTT program, this is clearly for us a big milestone, reaching 10. Amanz'abantu is proud to be a partner of government in this country. And the South African government has taken on some large challenges in the delivery of services for all. In particular, the Millennium Development Goals, which were adopted a few years back, have been entrenched into the strategy of government to eliminate the backlog and to provide services at an acceptable level for all. And Amanz'abantu shares this desire of government to reach those goals and is committed moving forward to seek ways where we can assist our government clients to meet those goals.